Do you want to hide your Instagram stories? So don't worry, you are on the right place because in this video I'm just going to teach you how you can easily hide your Instagram stories from everyone. So let's get started without wasting any time, and first of all open up your Instagram app and then just go to your profile, and then after that click on these two lines and select the option of close friends. Remember to get to close friends before creating a story. So key to select the close friend is to select a person who is not interested in your stories. So make it sure and select a person, and I will recommend you to select a celebrity like Cristiano Ronaldo, Leo Messi, or anyone to whom you like, and then just click on done. So now let's create a story, and then create a story. I'm just taking any of the random video. To make this story private or to don't share to anyone, so what you all have to do is just click on close friends. So remember, in your close friend is just Cristiano Ronaldo, or just go to story and click on this green icon, and then just click on edit your close friend list, and now you can even remove that person also in your close friend list. So uncheck this person and then just click on done. And so this is how you can easily hide your Instagram stories from everyone.